Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA G3410 or G3010 series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to computer. What you need to do is you need to go to your laptop start. We're going to download the full driver and software package. Connect the printer via wireless method. So go to laptop start. You can use Google or Bing. You're going to use Google. Then search Canon IJ setup. Canon IJ setup. Then scroll down and select Canon official manual. Select on it. Then it will show you this web page from Canon website. Select your language as English. Then select setup. Then select region. Type the printer model G3410. Select on it. Then select go. It will show you the printer. Then select operating system Windows. It picked up my laptop as Windows. Then select download. The file is downloaded. Open the file. Open the file. It will show you Canon IJ software. Select yes, allow. Start setup. Then select start setup. Before you continue, this software may use network to set up the printer. Then you select next. Acquiring the latest driver and software. Downloading. Licensing agreement. Scroll down. After you read licensing agreement, then select yes. Select agree. Processing, please wait momentarily. Searching for the printer status. So it's going to search for available printer. Checking the printer status. Then you select connection method. Wi-Fi connection is picked up. If you want to connect via USB cable, then you select USB cable. Connect the USB cable to the printer, then connect it to the laptop. But in this case, Wi-Fi connection is selected. Then select next. Check power. Check that the printer is turned on. This printer is on. Then you select next. Printer detection. So it's going to search for the printer within the environment. Searching for the printer on the network. The printer is found and the serial number. Then you select on it. Then select next. Installing MP drivers. It's going to take about 2 minutes. Processing, please wait momentarily. Then it will show you print head alignment recommended. Then you select next. Print test page. So it's printing a test page to confirm the connection method. Test print. This printer is now ready for printing. Introduction of Canon Print Inkjet Selfie. Then you select Next to proceed. Setup complete. You can now print from your computer. Next software will be installed. Next software will be installed. Then you select Next. Then it will show you the software available for you to install. User manual is not compulsory, so I'm going to reject it and select Next. You can now print from your smartphone or tablet. Click instruction, refer to online manual, then select Next. Processing. Printer registration. I'm going to skip registration. If you want to register, then select Register Now. It is not compulsory, so I'm going to skip. Installation completed successfully. Then select Exit. And it will show you software manual download G3010 series. Windows. It will show you printer driver, scanner driver. If you want to add it to Canon Print app on your laptop, go to Microsoft Store. Then search Canon Print. Open Canon Print app. Download it on your PC, then open. Once the app is ready, you will see the printer, Canon G3010 series. And you can print document. You can scan document also. If you want to scan document, select Scan. And also put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left corner of the printer. Close the cover. Then select document as A4, resolution 300 dpi. Then select Scan. Document is scanning. This is the document. If you want to scan the second page, select Next Scan. Select Scan. We are scanning using Canon Print app. This is the first and second page. Once you're done, then select Save. Then select Folder, Document, then select Save. The file is saved. To print it out, select the file. Then select Ctrl P. Select the printer. Printer is selected. More option. I want us to print on both sides. And also print it in color, then select Print. To print the second page, reload it on the rear tray. Then select Start Printing to print the second page. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. So this is how to connect this printer. The full setup guide, install the driver, connect it via Wi-Fi network, print a test page, and also scan document via Canon print app. Please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.